Hello children, today I am going to discuss about grouped frequency distribution table. Children, the previous method of frequency distribution of the raw data is convenient only where the values in the raw data are largely repeating and the difference between the greatest and the smallest observations is not very large. We come across some difficulties while preparing a frequency distribution table for such type of examples. One of the difficulties is that it requires a lot of space. To overcome this difficulty, we divide the raw data into a convenient number of groups and obtain a frequency distribution of the number of observations falling in each group. So we can define the grouped frequency distribution of data as follows. Presentation of data in groups along with the frequency of each group is known as the grouped frequency distribution of data. Now we will discuss some important terms related to this topic. Those are number 1, classes or class intervals. All observations of given data are divided into some groups. These groups are called classes or class intervals. For example, zero to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, etc. Number 2, lower limit and upper limit. For class 0 to 5, 0 is called the lower limit and 5 is called the upper limit. Children, note that the class 0 to 5 means the observations occurred between 0 and 5, including 0 and excluding 5. Number 3, class size or width. The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit is known as the size or width of the class. So class size equal to upper limit minus lower limit. For example, the class size of class 5 to 10 equal to 10 minus 5. This is upper limit and this is lower limit. So equal to 5. Now number 4, class mark. The average of upper limit and lower limit is called class mark. So class mark equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. For example, the class mark of class 10 to 15 is 10 plus 15 by 2 equal to 25 by 2 is equal to 12.5. Number 5, range. The difference between the highest observation and the lowest observation is called range. So range equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Children, now I am going to explain grouped frequency distribution table by an example. The example is the weight in kg of 35 persons are given below: 43, 51, 47, 62, 48, 40, 50, 62, 53, 56, 40, 48, 56, 53, 50, 42, 55, 52, 48, 46, 45, 54, 52, 50, 47, 44, 54, 55, 60, 63, 58, 55, 60, 58, 53. Prepare a grouped frequency distribution table taking equal class size. One such class is 40 to 45, where 45 is not included. It means here 40 is included but 45 upper limit is not included. Solution. Children, first of all we arrange the given data in ascending order. We get 40 occurs two times, this and this, and 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 occurs three times. After that 50 occurs three times. 51 occurs one times. 52 occurs two times. 53 occurs three times. 54 occurs two times. 55 occurs three times. Fifty-six occurs two times. 58 occurs two times. After that 60 occurs two times. After that 62 occurs two times. and lastly 63 occurs 1 times. Thus the frequency distribution may be given as under weight in kg tally marks frequency. Our first class interval is 40 to 45. 40 to 45. So we start 40 to 45. After that 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60 and 60 to 65. This class interval is last class interval because our highest observation 63 comes between 60 and 65. Now count the observation 40 to 45. In 45 is not included, so 1 2 3 4 5. This is tally marks and frequency is 5. Now 45 to 50, where 50 is not included, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. 50 is not included, so 7. After that 50 to 55, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 10 5 and 5 10 and 11. Next 55 to 60, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. 5 and 2 7. Next 60 to 65, 1 2 3 4 5. Tally mark 5. Total 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 11 23, plus 7 30, 30 plus 5 35.